Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a video on how to be a food photographer. So before we start, here are some of the photos that I've taken for my clients. So all these photos are from actual clients which pays me to be able to do food photography for their menus or for their online platform. So with that out of the way, let's move on to our tips. These are the 7 things that you will need. Number 1, you will need a good camera. Get a good camera that allows you to have a good dynamic range. If your budget allows it, get a full frame camera to be able to capture the different details of the shoot. If not, an APS-C camera will also be good. I myself am using the Sony system, but I do have Canon lenses. So be it from Canon, Nikon or other brands, look out for the best camera bodies that allows you to have good dynamic range. Number 2, lights. Get good lights. Be it strobes or LED, you will need lights to light up your food photography. A lot of nice food photography are able to resemble the natural light that comes from your window. So get good lights with diffusers to be able to give you the soft feel that simulates light coming up from the window. Number 3, background paper. Get good background paper to be able to simulate the surfaces for your food photography. You want to transport your viewers to a different place of different textures and different scents and smells to give them an idea of how tasty the food will look. So look out for wood background, concrete background or even marble surfaces online. They're able to resemble the kind of look that you're going for. There are tons of materials online to be able to give you an idea on what you want. Number 4, cutleries. Get good cutleries, be it silver, gold or wood. But there are tons of cutleries out there that will be able to portray different look that you're going for on the style that you have chosen. So simply search online for the different cutleries that will suit your shooting style. Number 5, props. Get props to be able to enhance your look, be it plants, greenery or even just a tablecloth, so that you can add to the look and texture of the shoot. You wouldn't want just a plain surface and put your dish right there. I'm sure that kind of photos anybody would be able to do. So add in some form of texture and some form of feel towards your photo shoots. Number 6, get some touch-up tools. Touch-up tools can be as simple as just getting some napkins and some fork and spoons nearby to be able to touch up your food. I myself have always approached my clients to be able to ask for serviettes to be able to clean up the side of your dish. There will be likely spillages from the oil or water from your food, and cleaning up the surface will make it look clean and will make it look easier for you to edit. So last but not least, determine your style. Some photographers like very hard shadows on their food photography, and some like very light ones. Some like very moody ones, and some like very bright and cheery ones. So this one is something which I cannot give much advice. You have to really depend on your style and your creativity to be able to choose the kind of photo shoots that you like. So go out on Pinterest to be able to have an idea on the different styles that have been done and what kind of styles that you can offer or you can modify from. I hope you guys like my 7 tips on how to start being a food photographer. If you do, please like and subscribe so that you can be up to date with my content. Please go to my Flickr page to be able to see some of the photos that have been taken from my photo walks. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.